Woods Farm here. Just out trying for some ice fishing. I got one hole in, one line down. So there's about 8 or 9 inches of ice, 6 or 7 of black ice. It's good and hard, so plenty of ice out here. Got a tip up set, so now we just wait. Lots of snowmobiles ripping up and down the river. What, you got the ball? You want the ball? Ready? Get it! Good boy, come on. Come on, Roscoe. Good boy. We're not playing hockey. Ready? So I've been out for a couple hours, no luck. One little bite, that was it. Probably just a perch or something small. But I only had a couple hours today, so not too worried. Come back out and give it a shot another day.